Today, we're taking you deep inside the hidden billion-dollar snakeskin industry to discover how exotic snakes are transformed into luxury leather bags worth thousands of dollars. Luxury snake leather production begins inside highly controlled reptile breeding systems designed to preserve the quality and pattern of every skin. Every scale pattern must remain perfectly preserved before the leather enters luxury manufacturing. Specialized tanning transforms exotic snakeskin into flexible luxury leather prized by elite fashion brands worldwide. This segment needs recalibration before the next run.
Noted. I'll initiate the adjustment sequence.
Luxury manufacturers carefully position every cut to preserve the natural beauty of the snake's scale patterns. Each exotic handbag combines rare materials, industrial precision, and luxury craftsmanship. From reptile farms to elite fashion boutiques, the exotic leather industry powers a hidden global luxury empire.